If you want to destroy me, aim well. Because if you miss me, I won't miss you. I have never hated anyone. I simply excluded from my life those who disappointed me. You talk to me when you want. I respond when I'm bored. I have accepted so many things that I will never accept again. You can leave my life whenever you want, but you won't come back when you want. I haven't changed. I just opened my eyes to certain people. I trusted certain people too quickly. That was the only mistake I made. I have no desire to argue with anyone. I prefer to walk away because I'm just seeking peace. I'm not resentful, but there are people with whom I prefer not to be in contact. I wish them neither good nor bad. They just have to get what they deserve away from me. I am grateful to all those who said no to me, because thanks to them, I did it myself. No one starts at the top. I will work to get there. Life sometimes takes unexpected turns, and I am faced with challenges that catch me off guard. The important thing is to never forget that a challenge is also an opportunity to grow.
Let them hate. Let them doubt you. Let them criticize. Because the truth is, the more they throw at you, the stronger you become. The path to success is never without resistance and hate. Hate is just a part of that journey. Understand this. No one who ever achieved anything great did it without facing opposition. Hate comes from a place of fear, insecurity, and jealousy. People hate because your ambition, your drive, makes them uncomfortable. Your desire to push past limits threatens the comfort they've built around mediocrity. So what should you do? Let them hate. Let their words be nothing more than background noise. You weren't put here to seek their approval. You're not living your life to make them feel comfortable. You're here to follow your purpose, to chase your dreams, and to live life on your own terms.
Let them talk. Let them judge. Let them spin stories about you that you've never even heard. Let them count you out and miss the point of your journey. Because real success, it comes with the courage to rise above the negativity that follows.
Surviving alone, it's one of the hardest things a person can face. But you know what? It's also one of the most powerful, transformative experiences you'll ever go through. When you're on your own, when you have no one to rely on but yourself, that's when you truly find out what you're made of. Today I want you to understand this. The journey of standing alone isn't one of defeat, but one of ultimate strength. Imagine standing at a crossroads in life, with people leaving, plans falling apart, and support vanishing into thin air. You're left wondering, where do I go from here? But that's the moment, right there. That's your defining moment. When it feels like everything is working against you, you're actually being pushed toward growth. You're being molded, sculpted by the very challenges that others might run from. In this journey, you might find yourself asking, why do I have to do this alone? Why isn't there anyone beside me? That's a question everyone asks when they're facing their hardest battles. Not everyone will stand by your side. You're not always going to have a team behind you. Not everyone will believe in your vision or your dreams. Sometimes, ladies and gentlemen, you have to take a stand on your own. You have to pursue your goals with your own mindset. You have to stay true to who you are inside. There will be times when you must face challenges alone. When you're standing on your own 2 feet and the storm is raging, you still have to stand strong. When it feels too tough, when you think you lack the mental strength to push through the pain and hardship, you still have to stand. Being alone doesn't mean you're completely isolated. It means you have something unique within you. You possess unique qualities, but can you awaken them? We all have gifts. We all have talents. We are born to achieve great things.
So the question is, What are you going to do with what you have? I'm not talking about how much you have. Some of you are business majors. Some of you are theologians, nurses, sociologists. Some of you have money. Some of you have patience. Some of you have kindness. Some of you have love. Some of you have the gift of long suffering. Whatever it is, whatever your gift is, what are you going to do with what you have?